What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar. And ladies and gentlemen, there are few cocktails that pair with the winter season as well as the old fashioned. I mean, it is a match made in heaven. So today I want to share with you guys two Coach Vino original winter old fashions that I've been making for family and friends, and they have absolutely loved them. So hopefully you will love them too. So make sure you stick around because we are gonna boogie down. All right, folks, so the first winter old fashioned that I'm gonna be making you guys is called coffee and pie. Let us look at what is in the sauce, all right? The first thing you're gonna need is 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. I'm gonna be using Mackenzie bourbon. This is a New York State bourbon. This was actually purchased for me by my beautiful wife. So there you go, 2 ounces of bourbon, all right? Next thing you're gonna wanna do is use a Barspoon of a Pecan Orgeat, all right? Now this is Savage Kitchen, as Jessica is a friend of mine. You can go check out her website for more delicious syrups. I would leave a link down in the description for you guys to check that out, all right? So there's that. And then another friend of mine, Peter Patrician, has some delicious bitters. So we're gonna be using 4 dashes of espresso pecan bitters, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, we're gonna get some coffee notes, we're gonna get the pecan notes. It's gonna be absolutely delicious, all right? Let's get ahead and put some ice into our mixing glass. And we're gonna stir that for about 25 to 30 seconds. All right, folks, I think we stirred that bad boy up enough. Oh, so delicious, so delicious. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get our glass out. I'm gonna be serving that in a rocks glass. I got a big old cube already sitting in there, and it's been chilling like a villain. Let's go ahead and pour our drink in. There you go. Oh yeah, there it is. This has been one of my favorites this winter season, that's for sure. Oh, what a delicious looking cocktail. All right, beautiful. Excellent. And then we're just gonna go ahead and garnish that with a couple of coffee beans there. Here we go. We'll just put one right there and one right there. And there it is, folks, our coffee and pie old fashioned. All right, so before we get into our next cocktail, let's go ahead and give our coffee and pie old fashioned a sippy sip. And right the nose, you're obviously getting the coffee notes from the coffee beans, but you're also getting that from the bitters there. So cheers. Oh man, this is absolutely fantastic, guys. I mean, the Pecan Orgeat is so fantastic. The bitters really add some delicious coffee notes. The bourbon obviously has its own kind of, rye and corn going on. And this is just a super, super delicious cocktail, guys. This is literally one of my favorite old fashions. I'm not trying to toot my own horn here, but this thing is ridiculously delicious. There you go, and I swallowed the coffee bean by mistake. But anyway, what are you gonna do about it? Anyway, guys, there it is. There's our coffee and pie old fashioned. All right, so our next winter old fashioned is called a Yule log old fashioned. And the first thing you're gonna need for this is 2 ounces of your favorite rye. I'm gonna be using Rittenhouse. The thing about this cocktail is that it's gonna lend itself to more of spicy notes and stuff like that. So you really wanna use a rye if you got it, or at least a bourbon that has a high rye mash bill, right, guys? So the next thing you're gonna need is, again, we're gonna go to my gal Savage Kitchen's syrups here. We're gonna be using a chai spice syrup that she has that is incredibly delicious, and we're gonna use a Barspoon of this, all right? So a chai spice syrup. Again, I'll put a link down in the description to her website. You can go ahead and purchase some of her stuff, all right? And then we're gonna be going back to my pal Peter Patrician again, and we're gonna do 4 dashes of cranberry bitters. Now, cranberry and chai are absolutely delicious together, so this works really well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me put an extra there because that one was a little light. That first one was light. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put some ice into our mixing glass here. And per usual, we're gonna stir that for about 25 to 30 seconds. All right, folks, I think we stirred that bad boy up enough. Once again, absolutely delicious. Go ahead and get our glass out. Be serving that in an old fashioned with a big rock in it, which has been chilling like a villain. Let's go ahead and pour this bad boy in. There it is. Again, once again, those beautiful hues that you get from your stirred, dark spirit cocktails. And that always makes me very happy, folks, all right? And then we're just gonna go ahead and garnish that with, we wanna add a little more spicy notes to the cocktail, in terms of the aromatics and stuff. So we're gonna do some fresh nutmeg right over the drink there. And this will add some really nice aromatics, and just a little more of the extra spices that we got with the cocktail, all right? And there it is, folks, our Yule Log Old Fashioned. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give our Yule Log Old Fashioned a sippy sip. Cheers. I mean, right in the nose, like with the coffee and pie, which gave you this beautiful coffee notes from the coffee beans. Here you're getting obviously the nutmeg from the fresh nutmeg powder. Both of those are just perfect smells and aromatics for this time of year. Okay, cheers. Absolutely delicious, guys. I mean, you're getting those beautiful nutmeg notes. Also, you're getting the chai notes, a little bit of that kind of dry tartness from the cranberry as well, from the bitters. And then the rye obviously provides its own spicy notes. This is a nice, warming, delicious old fashioned, guys. Oh, love it, love it. Oh, yeah. I tell you, every sip you take, it's got some more spice notes coming in, you know what I'm saying? So this is definitely why, the Yule log is hot, spicy, you know what I'm saying? So this is kind of perfect for that. And again, this one here with the coffee, I forget about it, the pecan, this is a delicious, delicious. Ah, God, I love this time of year, guys. Winter cocktails, you can't beat them. Anyway, folks, I hope you're all enjoying the holiday season so far and you're getting ready to wrap up gifts. I'm probably gonna use the energy behind these cocktails here to wrap up some gifts tonight myself. You know what I'm saying? Throw on some Sinatra, Christmas trees already on, and just have a good time wrapping up presents with the old lady, all right, folks? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press like, please subscribe, and please share it with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and 'tis the season for giving. So give somebody a free subscription to Coach Vino's Progress Bar. If you can't think of another gift, that's the perfect gift, all right, folks? Anyway, look, when life gives you lemons, you make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.